What's up, guys? Welcome back. So, this is the room that I've been talking about, kind of with what I wanted to do as far as like maybe a man cave, theater room. I have no idea. I need some help. It's like forever long. But the problem is Wi-Fi doesn't reach too well down here, so I could definitely use some help from you guys, maybe figuring out how I can do maybe maybe a booster or something with my Wi-Fi. Maybe it'll help it out. But then you got this random scary little storm shelter, I guess. It's all concreted in. It's all, I don't know, it just needs some work. But, oh, the camera makes it look way worse than it really is. Oh man, that looks really scary on the camera. But no, it fits me in here pretty well. As far as, there's plenty of space. You could probably definitely fit a family in here if you needed to, in case storms or something. But yeah, guys, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this room. No idea. And plus, that's the only outlet in this whole room. The only one. So I don't really know. We've been, I know it don't look like I skateboard, but we've been kind of using it for a skateboard room. My wife's got her photography stuff going. We just don't really know yet. But I don't know if y'all know this, but I got probably the craziest room y'all will ever see in y'all's life. Y'all ready to see it? Hold on. Boom. Bro, we bought this house in a foreclosure, and straight up, we saw this room and I was like, dude, I actually love this room. Like, there's so much creativity in here. Isn't that nuts? Just somebody like straight up must have let their kids just go free roam on this room. Which is pretty cool. But this makes a great art room, or for right now, junk room. And the door off the hinges. Yeah, we were trying to move some of the stuff in here and took the door off, but that ain't no problem. I don't know why there's all this white paint on like almost every one of these doors. Same way with the big room. There's paint on the door here and here. I don't know, but they obviously used to play darts right here. If I could get this to zoom in, kind of pick it up, yeah. But anyways, guys, if y'all could close, man. If y'all could give me any ideas that I could use, I want to say this room's probably 25 foot long, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 11 and a half feet wide, maybe a little more. But yeah, if y'all could give me any kind of ideas, that would be much appreciated. I think that's going to be it for today. Maybe I can take you guys through maybe some rooms upstairs, maybe see what we got upstairs. Or who knows, maybe a wife Q&A. Watch out for that. Like and subscribe if y'all would, and always try to be a better you. See you next time.